How to enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. For this, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy option. Once you get here, under the Content and Display section, find the option of Content Preferences and tap on that. You will find the option of Restricted Mode over here, tap on that. If you want to enable restricted mode, go ahead and tap on the Turn On option at the bottom of your screen. Now select what made you turn on the restricted mode, then tap on the Submit option. If you want to disable the restricted mode, follow the same steps. Then tap on the Turn Off option. Now select what made you turn off the restricted mode option. Then tap on the Submit option, and with this you will be able to disable the restricted mode. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.